Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with an Etsy order that I have saved to open with y'all. So, this is from lotsofbubblesforme.etsy.com. Lotsofbubblesforme.etsy.com. Thanks so much for your business. I appreciate it. That's nice. And then, oh yeah, here's my thank you gift. Let's see here. I took it out of the envelope, but I have not unwrapped it, and it has literally sat on my credenza here for I don't know how long. So, oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at all that. Oh, the feather. Oh my gosh, the wings, the letters, the numbers. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Well, thank you, Renee. Took me a minute there. Okay, thank you, Renee. That is so nice. I really love the bird, as you guys all know. And then let's see what else came in there. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, journaling cards. Those are so sweet. Perfect. I have a project right now. And I love that just the two of us. That will be there. And this will go with that as well, for that project I've got. And they're all, oh, that's cute. And then here's something from Graphic 45. Super cute. And today's going to be amazing. I'm going to put that all together with that. And I'm going to save these. Yeah, no, those won't work on that project. But this will go with a project I'll be coming back here with y'all and sharing next week. I'm super excited. So lots of exciting things going on in our family. That is a beautiful organza ribbon. And of course, anything pink floats my boat. I thought that was pink. On this, it looks like it's a different shade of pink, but it's really orange. That is cute. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah. So these are, I'm going to be doing some projects here pretty soon. And that kind of goes with the news we have coming. But I am super excited. I've ordered lots of these little Graphic 45 tag journal kits, whatever you want to call them. And I'm going to be making some fun albums, mini albums out of these. And these are going to be quickies. Let's see, I think there's 8 tags and then 1 ring for each one. So I am super excited. I think I have enough, but I'm not sure yet, so I'll have to go back, and because I've ordered several in different sizes, so I'm doing a whole bunch of projects with these. I also, sorry, I was trying to throw that in the trash can. I've also ordered the new dies that they have out to support these tags. I love Graphic 45, and lately I'm having to cut down my different kits and things right now because I'm just so behind in everything right now. And I took some time off when I wasn't feeling well. Well, I'd hoped to be like getting my home reorganized. And I ended up getting organized for this family event that's going to be coming up. But I really didn't address a lot of my home. So I still have my craft studio. I still have this area out here, our family room or parlor. And it's just everything bleeds over in here. And then our dining room. We literally have to have furniture moved out, and it's just overwhelming some days. So I don't know how you guys feel about clutter, but it is driving me insane. I'm ready to just get a big box, like a pod, and just load it up. But I can't. So it's okay. It'll all be fine. It'll all get there. But in the meantime, so we're still out here on my little bitty table here, but that's okay. And if I have to do everything out here, I will do what it takes. But I'm super excited to work and make these little mini albums. And yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. So again, if you want to go look at this sweet lady's shop, she is lotsofbubblesforme.etsy.com and paperhearts.blogspot.com. So thank you, Renee. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when videos come up. And most importantly, I hope that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.